$24 watch strap that completely transforms your Casio. Is it worth it? Let's find out. This is the Casio AE-1200, the Casio Royale. 30 bucks. Looks like a $300 Bond watch. But the stock strap feels like a toy. So I grabbed the Hemsut 18mm hybrid. Ballistic nylon outside, genuine leather inside. Double-stitched, signed buckle. Quick release spring bars. No tools needed. Office, outdoor, gym, swap it while your coffee brews. The good, comfortable, breathable, rugged. Beats that plastic stock strap in every way. The quick release makes it a total game changer. Mine, 7 days in, feels solid. Love it. Final call? This strap turns your $30 Casio Royale into a $300 vibe. The quick release alone is worth the price. Link below. And if you want to see the dual strap DIY mod with 2 Casios, subscribe. That one's fun. 2 Casios, one crazy idea. That's next. Hit subscribe.